oge ịnụ di ma jekwaghị ihe ome na ifụba di ma ọ na ịnụ di ọ dụkọgwara atụgụ n'ọnụ bịa na be Eke Hit gba m onye ire ọfụrụ ka onye anụ ọgwụ kama emezie ngịnị ekwube tupu ọgwụ apụọ ya n'anya ịmụ ọrụ ụmụ na-abịrịtọ na ịnọ.
Hi everyone, this is Igbo TV. If for this video you watching now, one night nwoke Eke Hit ọ na-ekezi di na ọ na-ekezi ụmụ nwaanyị di and ọ na-eji ọgwụ wee na-eke ụmụ nwaanyị di. Kende gwanu di a na-afọ ekwu okwu most of bụ ndị n'obodo oyibo anyị nwa n'obodo oyibo ka a na-ede ka e were ọgwụ wee kechie anyị ka nwaanyị mee gịnị kọntrol bezie anyị ka anyị nụbafa ọ dịkwa mma Eke Hit mana ama na ife anụnwa na-eme advat ya na-afe eme advat ọgwụ ya sịrọ abịa na Ọkịja single girls ka nkụ na Ọkịja anụbero di ihe ebidogoro na Ọkịja nyebe di before ị na-ekwubezi ndị asfa because ọ naghị post na social media i post ya ka ị nwee customers. A lot of girls now will fall into this victim eje kechie debe ka e wee jide Chinedu jide Emeka Jakarta Ifeanyi Malay Nnamdi Japan. But I know that nweta picture onye nchọrọ na aka iwere kedo olu m na m chọrọ asị nwoke jidelu m ya ihe kedo nwe ya because ịnụ bịa nsi na-agụ m iniedo those people they take over. Nweta picture fa ihe eji nwa ọgwụ jidelu mfa ọ galapụ ife na-anụ na-akụ and a woman, if a woman don't fall to this victim, this thing if na-akpọ m ya fallacy ọ bụrụ na aka o si adị ọdụ. And as a woman, go and look for handwork. Chọọ ife ị ga na-alụ. What can you offer when you get married? Or if I can think as a single woman. Or brother, I just want to marry. I just want to marry. What will you offer? What will you offer in that marriage? Marriage is not a child's play. The way we are seeing it, because I know a lot of people that come to my DM that this telling me their problems, family problems. I know it's not a child's play. So for you that you want to use juju to hold man to marry you, thank God no nothing. Yes, the man will pursue you away and marry another wife. Don't use any juju to hold any man, because even if you use them, after everything, that juju will fail you. That man will still pursue you and marry another woman. Try and get a handwork. Handwork, please. Try and do something. Open a lot of things. Yes, our government is bad. Our government is not working fine. Do you know that a lot of men are ready to marry? But why? They don't have income. They don't have something doing. Because not easy. If Nigeria government is working very well, already a lot of youth that start working, you see that people will ready to marry. Because when you marry, you are working. From there, you feed your family. This is the reason why a lot of girls are not married. It's not that their husband their husband is there, but their husband don't have something in cash to start marriage, because marriage is not a child's play. Again, most of girls when they single, some of them before metalogapher they are young, some of them bolo banje, some of them bolo anyway ibiro mazi my beneje. So as a woman, as a matured woman, find a solution for yourself. As you are working, find solution for yourself. If you need a yes, I need a bele. But if you need a bele, uncle any bele belogaria, and when you have a good ban or yagalia, that will not make a step before you find galia. So as a woman, don't listen to these people. Don't listen to them, because those things is a fallacy. No woman will hold out to juju. I don't support that. I don't support that. Okay, for why? Otukale, manufada otaro. My friend Megi. Then, if any na broke on the village, in this non the village, if any na broke the village. Everything is not about village people. Sometimes, Obola Kalai, Akaleji Biwa. Neyanudi. Bob Ninugo di and so could be Makalaga or Gazeli. Please do me a favor and share this video. This is Igbo TV. I just make my own point. I love you all.